For the past several years, Trueline Media has been bringing stories to life through high-quality corporate video production and marketing. We have worked across various industries and specialize in B2B video solutions, helping brands craft compelling narratives that connect with their audiences. We create videos in multiple formats, tailored to meet your organization's specific needs and communication goals. For shoot-based videos, we have a well-equipped production setup and utilize advanced equipment and resources to ensure high-quality visuals with depth and clarity. Our post-production team brings each project to life with precision editing, advanced graphics, sound design, and other creative elements. For technical or explainer videos, our creative team transforms complex ideas into engaging, easy-to-understand visual content through dynamic motion graphics and clear storytelling. At Trueline Media, we elevate our services with Trueline Studio, an advanced facility built to accommodate diverse creative projects, delivering a seamless and professional production experience.